All right, so let's start with a quick little warm-up. So why don't you write me a function that reverses a string?
Okay. This is my first time doing an interview on interviewing.io, so I'll just wipe out with Aaron.
Yeah.
So the cheeky Python answer is that you could just return reversed string or input.
Yeah, you could do that. Although I prefer if you did the reversing yourself.
I expected much. Just change the variable name there because I think input is actually a built-in Python function. So we could do start with an empty string for character in our input. We would just prepend it to our output. And I think that you can just add characters and strings like that. Should I go ahead and run it, or do you want me to
Yeah, we'll go ahead and run it. Let's see if this works.
Yeah. Okay, that seems to work.
Yep, that looks like it works. So what would be sorry, go ahead.
I was just going to say I would take a look at some edge cases usually as well. Make sure it handles non-string input, none stuff like that, which it wouldn't do so great right now.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't worry about non-string inputs. We can assume that whatever's if it's not a string, then I'm fine with it blowing up. So what would be the time and space complexity here of your reverse function?
So the time is going to be big O of n, basically looking at every character once, which I don't think we can do better than you could do it in half the passes probably if you did it in place and swapped the first and last characters, but you're still going to be order of n. And then space complexity, we're adding another variable output here of the same size. So we could reduce that to big O of 1 by doing it in place in